This is the Beverage Plastic Can Filling Machine. High-precision filling system ensures stable and accurate liquid dosing. Suitable for soft drinks, juices, milk tea, and energy beverages. Stable performance and efficient production for beverage factories. Automatic servo conceiving machine for high-speed sealing. Double sealing structure ensures strong and airtight performance. Advanced servo control system improves accuracy and stability. Widely used in beverage and food can packaging industry. Ensures safe sealing for long shelf life of products. Fully automatic film wrapping machine for finished can packaging. Provides strong protection for storage and transportation. Improves packaging efficiency and product appearance.